Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about the words mire, swamp, bayou, marsh, bog, moor, and quagmire. These are nouns and they describe different types of wetlands that muddy and difficult to traverse. But what's the difference between them? Let's find it out right now and right away. Let's start with the word mire. Mire is the general term for any type of wetland that is muddy and very difficult to traverse. So, pretty easy to understand and memorize the general term. To the next one. Swamp. Swamps are wetlands with trees in it. Also, very easy to memorize. Swamps about trees. Bayou. Bayou is a type of swamp. Bayous you can find in the states like Louisiana and Mississippi. Their main features are a very high level of humidity, like 60% or higher, and presence of rich biodiversity. These were bayous. Marshes. Marshes have a lot of small plants in them. For example, reeds, ferns, and so on. Bog. Bogs characterized by the presence of moss. The next word is the very specific one. Moor. Moor is a type of wetland that you can find in the UK. As Arthur Conan Doyle in his book, The Hound of the Baskervilles, describes it. Moor is a type of wetland with mist, fog, sometimes thick fog, and a place. Moor is a place where you can also find tussocks. Tussock is a thick mass of grass. So, one more, quagmire. As the dictionary says, quagmire is a type of wetland that is a treacherous place, a very treacherous place, and it is a place where it's pretty difficult to navigate. And that's wrapping it up. That's all the difference, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you next time.